Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and just before I start today's trading video, I just want to say a huge congratulations to everyone in my signal team. We had two buy signals here on the Nasdaq 100. We bought down at 12,300 and 12,500 with price targets both at 12,600 and 12,750, and today we managed to close both of those trading signals in profit. So a huge congratulations to everyone in the signal team who managed to profit from those trades. I've loved trading the Nasdaq 100 over the past couple of weeks. So as you can see, in front of me is the Nasdaq 100, of course. And today we hit a new session high. We hit a new all-time high. We're currently trading at 12,723. We did go as high as 12,730. And guys, this is exactly what I forecast. I had a price target for the end of year at 13,000. We're only roughly 270 points away from achieving that price target. We have just seen significant gains since that massive sell-off that occurred at the beginning of March, where we did touch as low as 7,000. We're now currently at 13,000. If you would have told me back then, when we were as low as 7,000, that by the end of the year we will be trading at 13,000, I would have told you that you was crazy. But it's happened, guys. What a volatile but bullish year it's been here for the Nasdaq 100. And I really am not surprised that we are trading at all-time highs now, because for the past month I've been warning you guys that we're about to enter one of the most e-commercial Christmases ever. Everyone will be ordering Christmas presents for their loved ones online. For example, here in the UK, the majority of the companies being put in tier 3, so it's very difficult now to go out, to go to the shops. I know in the US there's curfews, in France there's currently curfews, so many countries are have either curfews or lockdowns or a tier system put in place, which is making it very difficult for people to go to shops. And also people just don't want to go to the shops. It's not worth people who live with their nans and their granddads or even just like their relatives who live in their mid-50s or 60s, for example, their parents. People are not wanting to risk to go and buy their loved ones a gift and bringing back this horrible COVID-19 illness back to their household. So people are now ordering presents online. They're using online services. Companies are now using advertising services through Google and Facebook, because they know that people will be paying a lot of money online for products and services before Christmas. And this is what is going to benefit the big FANG names. And that's exactly why the Nasdaq 100 is so high right now. And I see this continuing going into 2021. I've mentioned it before this week that at the end of January 2021, we then enter the earnings season, which will be the Q1 for 2021. And guys, I am expecting it to be a blowout quarter for the big FANG stocks, the likes of Apple, the likes of Amazon, Facebook, Google, Netflix. These companies are going to do exceptionally well, and I really am expecting huge earnings growth going into 2021. And guys, the US is going to come back stronger after this virus. 2021 is the comeback year. People are going to be flying again. People, the economy will be booming come the end of 2021. So I really do see a significant amount of growth occurring in 2021. The banks are all forecasting this. I'm forecasting this. A lot of traders that I trade with, they're all forecasting a lot of growth going into 2021. So there are very, very exciting times ahead, guys. So for that reason, going into Friday session, I'm a buyer, and I don't see why we can't set a new all-time high. So 12,800, it looks like what the Nasdaq 100 is going to target towards now. But as I mentioned, going into the end of the year, I have a price target of 13,000. One thing that you should be cautious about is, of course, the Nasdaq has had 8 bullish sessions in the past 10 now, so do be wary of that. And also the RSI is now at 67, so we are approaching the overbought status. But the Nasdaq 100 is known to typically live in the overbought territory, as you can see there. So don't be shocked if we do go up towards 80, and of course if we did go up to 80 on the RSI, then the Nasdaq 100 would easily be at 13k. So do be a bit cautious. Don't open too large trades here. Don't give in to FOMO, the fear of missing out, and buy really heavy at the tops here, but do add small positions whenever there is a small dip that occurs in this market. I've said it in the past couple of days. Do not try and short this market; you will lose money. I know there's a lot of new traders who are probably listening to me right now. Please listen to my advice. Do not try and short this market. Do not try and short the S&P 500 or the Dow Jones 30. Just simply try to buy the dips. So many retail traders get their accounts blown because they try and outsmart the markets. Don't try and outsmart the markets. You're probably new to trading. Just follow the trends, guys. We're in a new bull market here for the Nasdaq 100, so very exciting times to come. I'm a buyer, no interest in selling whatsoever.